They must have heard you because he dropped a blade on it. Over their phone or something.
Because had they had a CP, you know, more than likely it's either going to be because they heard someone else talking about jumping off here, or, you know, they just have the experience and the grit to find a different way around. God damn, there's a lot of trucks ahead of us.
Yeah, 3 or 4 anyway.
Out here putting the John Deere to work.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that. He getting it too.
Damn sure is.
Talking on the damn telephone.
That's even funnier. How is it the first time we get to run together and shit like this? Cold trucking, driver. It's part of the damn wild life we live out here anymore. Yeah, the wild, wild west. That's right. Welcome back to the days that don't like a damn if you ain't got no cell phone. Really do it like you do it. That's right.
I bet you use your air conditioning in the summertime though, don't you?
I say when you walk in there, there'd be 5 or 6 drivers on each hallway. No, I roll with the windows down. Come on over, driver, come on over. Now we're looking back to Little Rock.
I was listening to him off in the distance talk about the good old days before cell phones and stuff. That's why I said that. But yeah, I think that's funny, man. I'm glad you were there. It makes it a whole lot easier getting out across here with company, that's for sure.
Yeah, no kid.
I think we got something slow moving up here. Everybody's moving to the left here, but I can't see what it is.
It's going the same way as us.
Yeah. Looks like it might be a Mustang.
Is it red?
Yeah, no, it's white.
I was gonna say, and that's the same fucking one that I pulled.
Oh, my bad, it's a Charger.
Well, at least it's not in the ditch.
Right?
Oh, I don't know what. Yeah, we got a 38-minute delay right past this exit right here. Then got a 57-minute delay just on now.
No secrets. No. 70 is shit. It's covered in snow. You don't want to come down here. No, stay up there on 40.
Better have your snow chains to make it back here. Right now. Yeah, 70's bad, driver.
We're slowing down up here, fellas. We're creeping here, Jared. Driver, we're just fucking with you. It's snow covered down here on 70. That's all I can tell you. It's snow covered, but we're moving.
You're on 70 driving?
I am on 70 in Brinkley. I was just trying to keep some of the traffic up there, being a wise ass.
Oh, okay, so I can't get out topsoil and move.
Yeah, we're moving down here. Currently slowly, but we're moving.
I tell you, we'll get into Little Rock faster than you guys will.
That's for damn sure.
Now, how is it that we're moving slow when the pavement is actually good enough to actually drive on? Being smart, I think, trying to keep us all up here and get that outside. He's moving that up. If we were slow, we'd be moving. Ain't that the truth?
That driver right there with the Roger beep, you need to turn your mic gain up or something. We can just barely hear you, and I think you're right up here in front of me. There you go, Jared. There's a self-truck wash. We'll just stop and get them washed here.
Alright.
They stay clean for a while, right?
Yeah, for a little bit, right?
Shit, at the current speed, they might stay clean for a while. We're stopping here at the tracks.
Maybe I get my lights back. A nice snowplow down here. Oh, I got a snowplow down here too.
Stop at red light. I've been through here in the summertime because there was accidents up on 40. It's a cute little town.
Oh yeah, I've been through here multiple times. Hell, half of the time I damn near just jump on 70 coming out of Memphis and just come across here because I already know that it's going to be something on 40.
It's definitely better for your patience, that's for sure.
Ain't that the truth?
There's some good fishing spots on the 72.
No shit.
Yeah, sorry about that, guys. I didn't realize the damn Roger even got turned on. The mechanics replaced the windshield.
We ain't worried about the Roger beef. We're just saying that your game may be a little low because we can barely hear you.
Yeah, you're pegging my meter, but I can just barely hear you like your mic gain's turned down.
How's that?
There she goes. There she blows.
I think I actually did a YouTube video through this town one time, Jeremy.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was recording one time I come down through here.
There's a way to flip around and get on.
Well, I stopped recording maybe about 10 minutes ago.
Yeah, both mine are still going. I had to switch out batteries, but they're still going.
Yeah, we got a Hobby Lobby stuck over here too. Everybody gets stuck on this back corner over here by the scales.
Hey, it wasn't a bad seating town to die off like this.
Everywhere! There's trucks everywhere! Yeah, but shit, there's trucks everywhere, bro. There's just, I'm like, fuck, where would they put it if they did move it? As soon as there's an empty one, somebody's in it.
What's that?
Got that 600 gallon that truck or that gas?
It's a 600.
Yeah, I thought I recognized that.
Yeah, we both have them.
Yeah, we got a bunch of them.
I'm jealous. I only got a 550.
Well, this one here is an original 620/50 torque. So, from 98, 99 time frame.
Can't go wrong with a good old signature 6. Sometimes you never know until you know, right?
Look at that little girl shoveling that snow right there.
She's having fun.
Damn it, look at these roads. Woo! We must have just dropped off into Arkansas.
I'll be damned. I've seen a couple guys do it. Seen a couple just pull out, but how long they're going to remain that way, I don't know. It just baffles me.
Well, like you said, man, they back there in West Memphis talking about guys not having CB radios, and then that one, they turn around like that one there and bitch about the guys who are talking on them, you know. It is what it is. He has a point, don't get me wrong, but shit, man, most of that shit up on the interstate stopped anyway.
Exactly. If you're sitting still, you know why you're sitting still.
Yeah, pretty awesome. Traffic, push that traffic button on it, it'll show you everywhere across the United States traffic is stopped.
It's that simple.
Right, that's why I didn't follow everybody back up there, because they started turning. I brought up Google Maps and was like, yep, nope, fuck that. I see blood red up there on the damn interstate.
And that's why we're back here on 70 hauling ass.
Well, I leave my truck GPS on and my Google Maps, because my truck GPS won't let me go under a low bridge, and my Google Maps will get around that bridge.
What river is that, guys? What was that? What river was that? Hell, that's a good question. I have no clue.
Me either. It's right there on your mirror, Jeremy.
You say right on my mirror?
Yeah, it was right there at the mirror at the bridge. I couldn't read it at the point I saw the sign. I was looking for the sign.
You said Duval or DeValley or something like that. Duval. There it goes.
I think all of us decided that we were going to do whatever we needed to get where we needed to go.
Yep, that's it.
Damn New York plate on that Toyota RAV4 over there coming off the gas island. That's a long ways from home.
Yeah, what the hell are you doing down here?
Two New York plates right there.
They're trying to move my green state down there, even though my state's totally fucked up right now.
I see who brought all the goddamn snow with them, man.
think I'm going to see if I can top off with fuel while we're here.
Yeah, you better do that.
Shit, driver, I got enough to get to the Mexican border and back, but I'm not going to pass up a chance to get it.
Yeah, I'm thinking about doing the same thing before I get closer to that area.
Doesn't look like it's going to happen, though.
Uh-oh.
There's a really nice W900 you got sitting right there.
It ain't the elusive Bel Air.
Uh-oh, we've been spotted.
How can we not be? Oh, there's one of our trucks tucked in over there on its brake.
Nah, it's a no pump one, and they got a fuel here.
You say there's no fuel?
Yeah, not here at the TA.
I appreciate that, thank you.
They supposed to get some in the morning.
Pull up alongside me there, buddy. We're good.
Rounds got fuel, they got parking. And they ain't charging $10 a night to park like the PA is.
All right, Jeremy and I stopped. Your Jeremy truck stopped at Mount Vernon, Texas. Took us 7 hours to get here from Little Rock. It's normally 4 hours, maybe, right around in there. So took us 4 hours to get. It's about 110 miles, 107 miles from West Memphis to Little Rock. So it took another 3 hours to get here from Little Rock. So like I said, 7 hours. So I got 4.5 hours left to drive. I'm going to keep going. It is 5:17 in the afternoon, but with all the weather, I don't think anybody's going to be on their way home from work in Dallas. So he's got to stay here because he's making his drop in Dallas in the morning, and they're having maintenance issues. So there we go. Pitter patter.
There's something in the air.
Alright, and as you saw in the clip there, last clip, I made it to Hillsboro, Texas. We are in Hillsboro. Not a lot to see, but where I'm parked at. But this is one of my normal stopping places on my way to Laredo. Got about 350 miles to do. The GPS says 373, but that's because it wants to run me out and around and back on the interstate and stuff. So it doesn't know that I'm in the truck stop. So anyway, we're gonna get on the highway this morning and get this load down there. Payroll cutoff is 12, so we're gonna try and have it there before 12. It is currently 6:45 in the morning, so it's gonna be iffy. But anyway, pitter patter, let's get at her.
That's a good truck.
That's good, that's good. No, I just, you know, I've never seen that before, so I'm just kind of curious, that's all.
Yeah, no, there's 3 of them, but boss isn't real happy with them. I don't know if there'll be any more.
Well, I got you. I thought maybe you were an owner-operator or something.
No.
We're both on right home.
What's that?
Where you headed?
Going to Austin.
Alright, now 40, be safe.
Yep, it's the same there. Good day.
we made it to the yard here in Laredo. The lard. We made it to the lard. And there's not really any trailers here. I guess because everybody out of the Northeast is stuck in that stuff that I was stuck in for 3 days. So, if you want to see me back on in, I have several videos where I did just that on the trips down here. So, I'm not going to record anything else. I'm just going to put this in a hole, and I'm not going to record me backing in anyway. So, I'm not looking at the camera, I'm looking over here where I gotta go. I'm trying to figure out which one of these spots I want over here. The big hole over there, so. Anyway, keep a shiny side up, safe travels. See you in the next one.